In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication in GitHub. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to log into your GitHub account. Once you're in, head to the top right corner of the page where you'll see your profile picture. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can customize your account's settings. Once you're in the Settings panel, look to the left sidebar. You'll see various options, but what you want to focus on is the Password and Authentication tab. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a section where you can manage your security settings. Next step is to enable two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA. Look for the button that says Enable Two-Factor Authentication. When you click on that, a QR code will pop up on your screen. This code is essential for linking your account to your Authenticator app, so keep your screen open and ready. Now it's time to grab your smartphone. If you don't have a two-factor authentication app yet, there are several options to choose from. Popular choices include 2FA, Google Authenticator, or Authy. Open your chosen app and look for an option to add a new account. Usually, this can be done by tapping on a plus sign or an Add Account button. When you're in the app, tap the plus icon. This will enable your camera to scan the QR code you see on your computer screen. Align the QR code within the camera view, and the app will automatically read the code. Once it's scanned successfully, your app will start generating 6-digit verification codes. Now, head back to your GitHub page. You should notice a field asking for the 6-digit verification code. Quickly check your Authenticator app, retrieve the code it generated, and type it into that field. Hit Enter, and this will confirm the link between your GitHub account and your Authenticator app. The next step is very crucial, saving your recovery codes. Look for a green download button that allows you to save these codes. Click on it to download a file containing your recovery codes. Please make sure to keep this file somewhere safe and secure, an encrypted folder on your computer, possibly a cloud backup, or even printed out and stored in a safe place. This is really important because if you ever lose access to your phone, these recovery codes will let you regain access to your GitHub account. Once you've saved your recovery codes, return to GitHub and click on the button that states, I have saved my recovery codes. After that, just click on Done to complete the setup. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled two-factor authentication on GitHub, significantly boosting your account's security. Remember, taking these extra steps helps protect not just your code, but also your entire development work. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more helpful tips like this, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.